Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear students. How are you? I hope you'd be fine. This is Cambridge Lower Secondary, Book 7. Today we are going to start, basically not going to start, we are going to continue with the exercise 7.2 related to adding mixed numbers. And we are going to do question number 7 and onwards. So watch the video till the end. Here we are provided with a pyramid and we have already solved a lot of pyramids before as well. So let's see, what do we have to do in this pyramid? Says you find the mixed numbers in each block by adding the mixed numbers in the two blocks below it. So they have already shown you that how you have to solve it. Basically, you have to go from the bottom to the top. Okay, we are provided with a few fractions at the bottom and we have to work backwards. Okay, so how are we going to do that? We are provided with two fractions in two blocks, 1 whole 1 upon 4, 3 whole 2 upon 3. And what do we have to do? So, okay, what are we going to do? 1 whole 1 upon 4 and 3 whole 2 upon 3. So we have to add these two to write down the answer in the block above it, as they have already done with it. So one addition is shown. We have to copy and complete the pyramid like this. So you can see that 1 whole 1 upon 4 and 3 whole 2 upon 3 equals to 4 whole 11 upon 12. Now we will solve it for these two. And let's see what answer are we going to get. 3 whole 2 upon 3 plus 2 whole 5 upon 6. The very simple method is to convert both of the mixed numbers into improper fraction first and then solve it for the remaining steps. So 3 threes are 9 plus 2 is 11 upon 3 plus 2 6 are 12 plus 5 17 upon 6. This is the very first step that we have to follow. Then in the second step, what are we going to do? We will make the denominator same since there is an addition sign in between these two fractions. How can we do that? 3 twos are 6, 11 twos are 6 because 3 is a factor of 6. So we are not going to multiply 3 and 6 with one another. All we need to do will simply multiply 3 by 2. That's all. So it gives us 22 upon 6 plus 17 upon 6. Now the denominators are same. We can add 22 with 17 very easily, keeping under 6 as the denominator. 22 plus 17 is equals to 39 upon 6. Then we can see that 39 upon 6 can be simplified with 3. Both are the multiples of 3, so we will cut them with 3. 3 twos are 6, 3 ones are 3, 3 threes are 9. We are left with 13 upon 2. Now we are going to convert it back to mixed number. That's all. How can we do that? Since numerator goes inside and denominator comes outside. So 2 6 are 12 and here comes 1. So we are going to do it like this. Starting from here, the answer would be 6 whole 1 upon 2. That's all. Okay. So we will write 6 whole 1 upon 2 over here. Okay, students. After that, what we have to do? We have to move towards the next two blocks. What are the two blocks? These two. So we will solve them. 2 whole 5 upon 6 plus 4 whole 4 upon 9. Again, we are going to convert them into improper fraction by multiplication and addition. 2 6 are 12 plus 5 17 upon 6 plus 4 9s are 36 plus 4 40 upon 9. Now making the denominator same. Since you can see that 6 and 9 are having a common factor 3. So what we can do over here, we can find the LCM of 6 and 9. That would be better. Okay. Or even if you would memorize the tables thoroughly, so it would be easier for you without finding out the LCM, you can solve it further. It's 6 and 9. And we can see that 3 twos are 6, 3 threes are 9, 2 ones are 2, and 3 ones are 3. So what's the LCM over here? 3 2s are 6, 3s are 18. So basically we just have to make the denominators 18. How? 6 3s are 18, 9 2s are 18. Instead of multiplying 6 with 9, 9 with 6, although that is also absolutely correct, but why I do not recommend that method? Because by doing that and not taking the LCM, what happens that the answers in the numerators and the denominators become very much larger and multiplications become more complicated. So it's better to take out the LCM instead. And when you will do practice a little more, what will happen that even you don't need to do LCM. You can find that 6 and 9 comes in the table, in their table comes 18. 6 3s are and 9 2s are. So it also something that becomes relatable when you are thorough with the tables. So now we'll simply multiply 17 with 3, which is 51, and 6 into 3 is 18. 40 into 2 is 80 upon 18. Now we just have to add 51 with 81, and we are going to get 131. 131 upon 18. Then what are we going to do? We will divide 131 by 81. And when we divide it, we know that 13 doesn't come in the table of 18. So we have to read the table of 18. 18 6 are 108. So we'll go further. 18 7s are 126. And here comes 5 as the remainder. So the final answer would be 7 whole 5 upon 18. This is what we are going to write over here. Okay, students. Now let's go further on. Now we have 3 fractions in the second row from bottom to top. So we will take these 2 fractions now and solve them the same way. 4 whole 11 upon 12 plus 6 whole 1 upon 2. So, you can do one more thing over here, students. If you have mixed numbers and you can do something like that. 4 plus 6, solve the whole numbers separately and the fractions separately and then combine them later on. Okay, what I did, I took 4 and 6, added them, and then I took 11 upon 12 and 1 upon 12, and now I'm solving them. It's not 1 upon 12, it's 1 upon 2. Now what to do next? Why am I doing that? Because when I will multiply 4 with 40, 4 with 12, it becomes 48. 48 plus 11 is 59, which is quite a big number. Okay, so if we will separate them and solve the fractions separately, so it would become easier for us to solve it further. Now, all we need to do is making the denominator same. So we'll multiply only 2 by 6. It gives us 4 plus 6 is 10 whole, 11 upon 12 plus 6 upon 12. Then 10 whole, 17 upon 12. Now you can see that since 17 is already greater than 12, so we have to now convert it into mixed number, which is 12 ones are 12, and here comes 5. So what do we have now? 10, 1 whole, 5 upon 12. So after adding their fractional parts, we are still having a whole number. So what are we going to do? We will add 10 with 1, which is 11. The mixed numbers will get added if we will have still a whole number in the fractional part. So it becomes 11 whole 5 upon 12. And even if you are going to solve it without separating the mixed number and the fractional part, you're going to get the same answer. Let's do it once over here to make sure that yes, we are getting the same answer. So 4 12s are 48. 48 plus 11 is 59 upon 12. And on the other side, 6 2s are 12 plus 1, 13 upon 2. Then what are we going to do? We will multiply both of them by 6. So 59 upon 12 plus 13 6 are, 13 5s are 65 and 13 6 are 78 upon 12. Okay, now we will add 78 with 59 and the answer would be 137. 137 upon 12. Now what we will do next? We will simply convert it back to the improper fraction, mixed number. So 12 ones are 12, then comes 17, 12 ones are 12, here comes 5. So starting from here, it will be 11 whole 5 upon 12. See, the answers are absolutely the same. So we are going to write this down over here. And now we will solve these two together. Let's see what answer are we going to get by adding 11 whole, 6 whole 1 upon 2 plus 7 whole 5 upon 18. Let's do it using the second method, that is separating the mixed number and the fractional part. So here we have 6 plus 7, and for 1 upon 2 plus 5 upon 18, we will simply multiply 2 by 9 to make the denominators same. 6 plus 7 is 13. Here comes 9 plus 5 upon 18, which is 13 whole 14 upon 18. Now we can see that numerator and denominator can be simplified because both are the multiples of 2. So 2 sevens are 14, 2 nines are 18. The final answer would be 13 whole 7 upon 9. Okay, students, now let's move to the last part. And the last part is 11 whole 5 upon 12 plus 13 whole 7 upon 9. Again, we are going to do the same 11 whole plus 13 and 5 upon 12 plus 7 upon 9. So 11 plus 13 is 24 whole. And for this one, we know that 9 and 12 have a common factor 3. So their LCM would be 144. Because we know that 12 12s are 144 and 9 into 16 is 124, 144 as well. Or you can take out the LCM like this. 3 4s are 12, 3 3s are 9, and here comes 4. So the answer to this would be 3 3s are 9 into 4 is 36. Okay, it's 36. So what are we going to do? To make 12 36, we simply have to multiply it by 3. And for 9, we have to multiply it by 4. 9 4s are 36, 12 3s are 36. So it would be 24 whole 15 plus 28 upon 36. And when we will add 15 with 28, the answer to would be 3843. But you can see that we are getting an improper fraction. So what do we have to do? We have to divide 43 by 36. 36 ones are 36. And what are we left with? 7. So we will give 24 whole, 1 whole, 7 upon 36. And so we are going to add this 1 with 24, which gives us the final answer as 25 whole 7 upon 36. This would be the final answer, full-fledged final answer, which we are going to write at the top over here. 25 whole 7 upon 36. Okay, dear students, so we have completed question number 7. Inshallah, in the next video, we are going to do the remaining questions of this exercise, question number 8, 9, and 10. So if you have any sort of questions or any queries, you can ask me in the comment section, or you can contact me on my WhatsApp as well. The number is given. And if you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and share it with your friends so that more students can take benefit from this one.